Hello friends, welcome to Nandooscookbook. Today's recipe is tasty tuna fish biryani in pressure cooker. So let's not wait. Let's start with tuna fish biryani. Here I have taken fresh tuna steaks. Clean it. Separate the skin and cut the flesh into small pieces and keep it aside. Now heat the pressure cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once it heats, add biryani masala, shajira, black pepper, white pepper, black cardamom, mace, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, and add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute it. Once it starts spluttering, add mint leaves or pudina to it, and also add finely chopped coriander leaves. And saute it. Fry it till pudina and coriander leaves changes its color. Now add finely chopped onions. I have taken 2 medium size onion. Cook till the onion turns light golden color. Cook it in medium flame. Once the onion turns light golden color, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes. Add 3 green chilli slits and finely chopped tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes. Cook till tomatoes turns soft. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and saute it again. Now add 1/4 cup of fresh curd and cook till the oil separates. Add salt as per taste. Once the oil starts separating, add tuna pieces into it. Give a stir and add 2 cups of soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for 30 minutes. Now add 3½ cups of water. I have used same glass to measure the rice. As we have added curd, 3½ cups of water is enough. Give a stir. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Turn off the flame and wait for 15 to 20 minutes until the pressure goes completely. The yummy tuna fish biryani is done. Garnish it with fried onions and cashews. Hope you liked my video. Try out this recipe, friends. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next